here, like that. This is starting to turn out good. And then after the hood, we got a little thing in the back here, these things for the wires and stuff with the springs. Let's do that. So we're gonna have to open this part up. So now we have a piece to do. Here we got the other wires, for the to lights for its eyes. So here we go. Alright, so here's this. So we got this piece connected now. And now we got this wire, I think might be an IR sensor to the animatronic. This might have, we might have to see, or that just doesn't plug into anything. So next in the instructions, we got the hands, which should be relatively easy to put on. So these hands. So now we got the hands right here. Right hand is part K. Let's put that in first. So let's put this in right here. Let's get this showing. And that's in there. There's that. The little Velcro piece there. And then K goes in right here. Let's take this piece out and put it the same way. There we go. Put it in the exact way it's shown. There we go. We got that piece in now. Now there is a mode switch in the back. So here's a mode switch right here. Like, switch it each way. Okay, so now there's the volume for the thing. All right, now we have the best part coming. We got now the batteries coming. The part, I don't know where to put them in now. Where's the battery section? Or wait, maybe it already comes with batteries. Let me try that first. Oh yeah, there is an adapter. That's right, it comes with an adapter in this little box over here. So let's open that up for the people to look at that. So here's the thing here. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I suck at holding things, apparently. All right. Okay, guys. Here's the cords for the animatronic. That's this just for protection. This goes in right here. Is that good? Okay, I'm gonna try to plug this in. comes. Let's Velcro this. There you have it. But now, I have one more way to do this, which is the best way. So there you got it for Screaming Reaper from Spirit Halloween 2026. There he is, the Screaming Reaper. So he's really cool. I bought him for a reason. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. And yeah, let me fix my camera here. Remember, vampires kill people and suck people's blood.